The C program calculates the sum of two integers. Formula is sum is equal to x plus y. First we need to include the header files, which needs to use the built-in functions in C. Here we need stdio.h, that is standard input output header files. This is the main function where the program starts the execution. In the main function, first we need to declare the variables we need. Here we need two variables for input, two integers. Here we take x and y. These are the two integer type variables for the input to integer data. As the sum of two integer is again integer, that's why we take the sum variable as the integer also. So xy for the input to integer data and sum is for the result, that is the x plus y. Next we initialize the variable x by 10 and y by 20. Here we initialize the variable directly inside the code. Next we calculate the sum. So simple formula, sum is equal to x plus y. Now to print the result to the output, we use the printf. As the x, y and sum all are the integer data type, so we need %d format for all. Inside the format string of printf, we give the %d for this x, this %d for this y, and this %d for the sum. And finally, program return 0 to the operating system, that indicate that the program executed successfully. So this is the main function. First we declare the variables x, y and sum, xy for the integer data and the sum for the result, then initialize the variable and then calculate the sum and then print the result to the output, and finally that return 0 in the program. Now we run this program. To compile, gcc I use here Ubuntu Linux and the GCC compiler. If you want, you can run this program in the Dev C++ or Visual C++ or other C compilers also. So x value is 10 and y value is 20. The sum is simply 30. Now if we want to take the user input, then we need these 4 lines of code. This first line prompt user to enter the first integer, and the scanf function scan the value from the standard input. Then again it print through enter the user second number, and again it's scan the value and store into the y. So first value store into the x and second value store into the y. So then these two lines are optional. We can remove or comment it out from this code. Now, so these 4 lines will take the user input and store the values in x and y respectively. So again we need to compile the program and run this program. So first it prompt that please enter the first number, say first number is 15, second number say 25. So 15 x value and 25 y value, the sum is 40. So if we run it again, so this is 40, second value is say 50, so value is the 90. So this is the program to add two integer value initialized inside the code or taken from the user also, and this is the running instance of the program.